to the socks like I'm Biggie Popper. Baby, keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. But when it out.
Good luck, boys soccer!
Oh yeah, here we go again! Get this dub, oh yeah!
Good luck, soccer!
Win it tonight, guys, because if you do, you're going to be in the Copa Americana Centenario, or whatever that's called. You'll crush Brazil. I love it. Al-Haji, sorry about your face. Good luck tonight, guys.
Good luck! Woo!
This is it, you're down to the Final Four. Here's the thing, at this point, records don't matter at all. You've proven you're there to compete, and you're just as good as anybody else there. So throw out the records tonight and start from square one. Good luck. You guys are going to bring it home.
Let's go, boys soccer. Get out there and win
Oh
that
yeah!
today.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
All right, Falls Church in the States. I'm telling you, nothing could be better. I'm all for it, guys. When I first came to Falls Church in 2002, we were #1. So let's bring it back. Let's keep it every year. I'm missing you guys. Let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. Up with it.
Good luck, boys soccer!
We got 2 more quarters and that's it. But most of you have been playing this game for 10 years. We got 2 more quarters, and after that, most of you will never play this game again as long as you live. I want you to take a moment, and I want you to look each other in the eyes. I want you to put each other in your hearts forever, because forever is about to happen here in just a few minutes. I got my hands in the stands, my team on my back, my family in my heart. I put my city on the map. See, I'm cool with my school.